Dakota County, eastern Scott County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Webster, or 7 miles west of Northfield, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Elko New Market around 8:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Lakeville, Apple Valley, Prior Lake, Burnsville, Savage, and Shakopee. This includes Mystic Lake Casino. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
65 relayed.